Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to back up your entire system on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, you'll need an external SSD with enough storage to back up your system. To know how much you need, check your PC's storage size. Right now I have around 50 GB occupied on my system disk, so I would need an SSD with that amount of storage connected to one of my laptop's USB ports. After that, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Once in the Control Panel, select Backup and Restore Windows 7. Then select Setup Backup, choose your SSD as the backup destination, click Next and follow the instructions. Wait until the backup finishes and your system is transferred to the external SSD. Then you'll be able to use this backup to restore your Windows. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing, leave a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.